How to make a Gmail account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Play Store application and simply tap on the search bar to make sure you have an updated version of Gmail application on your device. As you can see, there's an update available. So simply you can just tap on update and start updating the Gmail application. After getting it updated, simply tap on the Gmail application and then here you can create an account. Now first of all, you need to mention your name over here and mention your last name, then tap on next and then select the birth month over here and your birth date, then select on gender, then tap on next. As you do that, it will give you the suggestions for your email address. You can select from the suggested ones or you can even create your own Gmail address. I'm going to select on the suggested one and then tap on next. And as you do that, you just have to create a password over here and then tap on next and then you will be able to create or make a Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.